In this video, we're going to look at the acetoacetic ester synthesis. This reaction parallels the malonic ester synthesis in that we are going to start with an alkyl halide. This time, instead of making a carboxylic acid, we're going to make a methyl ketone. An alkyl halide. As well as the methyl are coming from my starting materials, and then I add the alkyl halide R group, whatever it might be. So here the starting material looks a lot like the malonic ester, but instead of having the ester on both sides, I have the methyl ketone on the second half of it. Again, we're going to be using the sodium ethoxide and ethanol. That's going to remove one of those acidic protons in the alpha position. We make our carbanion. It will do the SN2 reaction to add the R group from the alkyl halide. Again, we do acid workup with heat to get our final product. So the methyl ketone with the newly added R group. Again, we get carbon dioxide, this time only one molecule of ethanol. This can again react twice, just like the malonic ester, so I could add 2 R groups. The other thing is it can be done with any beta keto ester. So it doesn't have to be the methyl ketone. So this carbon right here could really be any R group that I want it to be. So let's do this synthesis. Let's make this ketone using the acetoacetic ester synthesis. So again, I'm going to be getting these 3 carbons from my reagents. This is going to be the new bond that I'm going to make. So if I break that apart, that means this must be the alkyl halide. If I react that with the starting material reagent along with the sodium ethoxide and ethanol. So all of that is step 1. Step 2 is the acidic workup and heat. That will give us the desired product.